Great. Now let's go back to that top story that, of course, I promised an interview with Ngumbau Mutua, who is an advocate at the High Court. This is, of course, in regard to the security drill yesterday at the Strathmore University that went fatal. 1 person dead and 20 other students seriously injured. Thank you very much, Ngumbau, for joining us. Maybe you can talk to us about the legal implications that Strathmore University faces.
Thank you very much, Betty. Now, the legal implication with regard to what happened yesterday at Strathmore is that the question of negligence comes out. Was the drill properly conducted? Was there negligence, recklessness on the part of the university? And Betty, let me say this, that for a drill to be seen to have been successful, we must take out the question of realism. The drill was aimed at showing, or rather, a drill is aimed at showing whether students or any person who is affected can take part effectively and how to react in the event of such an occurrence. So the question of negligence, as I said, comes out very clearly because, number one, it is clear that the university did not give sufficient notice to the students. The university can be found guilty of negligence because under the law of tort, which is actionable, the university owed a duty of care to the students. But this was not what happened. Instead, they exposed them to dangers, and you can see the number of injuries and even the deaths that occurred out of that botched exercise.
Oh, the university has come out to say that, on their part, it was properly planned. But also looking at what they said they will do, they said that they will compensate the students and the people who were injured in regard to hospital bills. But is this going to be enough? Can these people who are affected severely, especially the injured ones, move to court and actually sue the university?
Betty, the question of whether the university can be sued, the answer is in the affirmative. And as I said, it can be sued on negligence because that is a tort which is actionable for the death and the injuries that occurred. The aim, as I said, of a drill is to create awareness and to enable the people who are taking part to know how to react in the event of such an occurrence. But in this case, what happened is that injuries and deaths was what that came out. So, Betty, to answer your question, yes, the university can be sued. It ought to be sued by the people who lost their life, the person who lost their life, together with all the students who got injured.
Right. Thank you very much, Ngumbau Mutua, for that, for those insights, of course, coming in the backdrop of what happened yesterday at the Strathmore University.